peeps. And it was cold. Let's see what degrees out. 42 degrees in Florida. Boy. Come on. That's what I'm saying. It's nice and cozy in here. Alright, well, it's 7:30. We don't have to be out here to 1. We're only an hour away from home. We're gonna rest, go back to sleep for a while, and then we're gonna get up, and then we're gonna go hiking trail on my trail map. And then we'll be home. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit here. 42 degrees somewhere. Alright, even though it's chilly, I'll get my little baby. He's like, Dad, I don't want to go out there. I think I want to get up, start making some coffee. And what time is it? What time is it? 8:30. Which meaning that, perfect, we'll get up, make some coffee. I'm going to do a fire. I'm going to enjoy the coffee either by the fire or inside here. And then we'll pack everything up and then we'll go for a hike. We got a 3-mile hike that we can go through over here that we started yesterday, then we turn around. We'll do that and then we'll head out of here. We'll be home by 1. Well, we'll be out of here by 1, I should say. American Freedom Tour 2023 fired up, and we're getting to the final stages of this 2023 Trev Dev Adventures Tour. Come along, would ya? I'm gonna get up and make some coffee. Yep. You're getting right here in bed, bud. Stand back. get some coffee roll. The sun's really comfy. Oh yeah, nice campfire. It's definitely chilly out, but I do like this better. No bugs, you're not sweating, you can always put more layers on, you got a campfire. You can make something that's comfy like I made last night. It was a nice beautiful goulash. You'll be a nice boy. It's nice to get that sunlight right here. Oh, that's gonna be nice, man. It's nice one. There we go. I parked perfect this morning, huh? There we go. Oh, and my overflow. Like a glove. I was walking over there. I don't have my contacts in, so I can't see. Bluebird, or blue jay.